Alright, so in this video, got a couple random unboxings, and I figured I'd show you guys what I got, including the brand new Yeezys that just dropped, the 350 V2 Marsh joints. So let's go ahead and get into it. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curated for you, check the link in the description. Happy shopping. Today, though, I got a couple random pickups that I figured I'd show you guys. We'll start off with one for the little dude. This is an Air Force One joint right here. I got this the other week, actually, and I forgot to show you guys. But I ended up securing a pair of the Air Force One Travis Scott joints right here, and it's kind of crazy, actually, in hand. They look honestly like almost a custom because the panels are so unevenly cut, like right here. But all in all, it's just a crazy mix of different materials and patterns and stuff like that, which I kind of dig. I didn't get the men's pair. It would be a pair that I would rock if I did get them, but no luck this time for myself. But little dude got them, so I mean, I'm happy that I was able to get them on Nike sneakers for Harrison. I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll get him to wear these. Probably not, though. He'll probably just wear them for like a picture if I can take one of him in the shoes, and I'll probably have to bribe him with a piece of candy or something because the dude only wears Crocs. Like, I can't get my kid to wear regular shoes on a regular basis, but I'm gonna keep trying. Air Force Ones for the kid. So next up, I have this random surprise pack from John and Paul and Jen, who were the Collective Koreans for CollectiveKicks.com. We basically were the writing team when I had people that were writing sneaker-related articles on the website, but since then we pivoted on the side, and now it's just basically a collection of my YouTube videos and sneaker deals that I post for you guys every week. And I literally have no idea. I haven't looked at this yet, so it's going to be kind of, I don't know, we'll see. What in the world? You guys are killing me. Hey, man. You guys filling up my cabinet downstairs. Some more goodies here. Holy moly. Whoa. I want to break that. Pull the top right off the top. Whoops. Sorry about that. Nice little box that it came in, though. It's a cask strength whiskey. It's a special edition Yamato whiskey. This thing is crazy looking, man. Thank you, John, Jen, and Paul for sending this over. I'm going to crack this one open immediately. Let's see what they said here. Ah, this is dope. So it says 500 on it. So this is a congratulations for the channel hitting 500,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for sending this over. I cannot wait to give this a try. And thank you for the congratulations on that 500,000 subscribers. It's been a really big milestone for myself. I never thought I'd hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. And to hit 500,000 is insane. And just for a little backstory, this isn't my first channel. This is like my third channel, actually. I had two video game channels. Both have about 70 or so thousand subscribers. And I gave those channels up once I started to really get into this channel. I just loved doing the sneaker stuff. And the video game channel just was kind of going nowhere because just obviously way too much competition out there and too much time to play video games. But I left those channels high and dry. And then this is the one that's been flourishing and got that 500,000 mark. I cannot wait. So hopefully someday I'll hit 1 million. Love to get that plaque, which would be crazy, but happy with my 500,000 nonetheless, and appreciate you guys, man. This is crazy. All right, so before we get into the Marshes, I got another thing. This box right here came from Champ Sports and Reebok. I honestly didn't know who sent this, so if you guys are the ones that send this to me, reach out on email and let me know so I know who to track, because I just don't know who even sent this over. Inside that giant box were these two smaller boxes, though, and it says Iverson Challenge on it, so I was like, dude, I mean, obviously it looks like it's going to be a black and red Iverson. And they sent a matching set of Iversons for myself and the little dude who's now 4 years old. So if you guys have been rocking with me for that long, 4 years, the kid's 4 years old. And he wears shoes like this big now. It's insane. This is that Heart Over Hype colorway that recently released, and it was just a super nice colorway. Red over the entire upper, but that black patent on the toe box, and then on the back collar of the shoe, black outsole as well. Just a really nice looking colorway. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for, I don't know who sent this again, but thank you guys for sending out a matching father-son set with this Iverson question mid. These things are crazy. Another thing that he's going to love out of this box is there's some stickers, as well as a little kids tee right here, and also some socks, and even some Reebok pins, which is just another nice little accessory. So crazy, man. A lot of fun stuff in this box. But really, the thing is, this actually came with a challenge on here, an Iverson challenge. And if you guys have suggestions for how I should do this, leave a comment in the comment section. But basically, it says, recreate Allen Iverson's signature crossover move unexpectedly on your kid and catch the moment on film. Leave them confused and create a like what's happening sort of vibe in the video. I don't know what to do with that. To be able to cross him over, like, I feel bad breaking my kid's ankles. It'd be hilarious, but I don't know what to do with that. But if you guys have suggestions, leave a comment and let me know. But I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna actually hit this right now. I had a long day at work, so you know I need a little nightcap. I might not be able to edit this video in time because of this, but it looks dope. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, it smells nice. Japanese, it's spelled whiskey with no E at the end too. That's nice. Ooh, this is so smooth. I gotta get my whiskey glass up here. In fact, I should have just a dedicated whiskey glass in the sneaker room so I can enjoy some of that while I'm doing this. And the kids are gone tonight. They're over at grandma's. So, like, you know, I'm gonna have a little bit of whiskey and relax. So this is the shoe that you guys probably came to see, though. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 Marsh joint right here. Wow, we actually have the name on the thing, probably because it's only a couple letters, but it says Marsh is a color. Marsh, Marsh, Marsh. Apparently there's no other colors like gray or like a mustard color on here. I hate how they do that. I wish they would actually just leave the colors. The whole purpose of that is that they could tell you what colors are being used on the shoe, but they just say Marsh. So maybe it's only the upper midsole and laces that they're telling you. Maybe not the collar, maybe not the line down the side. But anyway, actually this colorway is really decent in person. I thought it would be just absolutely terrible, but when I got them, I was like, oh, well, these are kind of fresh. Maybe because they had like khaki colored cargos on, and it like looked like it kind of went with it. But I actually don't mind this colorway at all. The interesting thing is that little stripe down the side of the shoe is actually reflective material. It's not like the wire material or like the fish wire sort of clear stuff, and it looks like a lightning bolt when it's hit with that light. But it looks like a lightning bolt in mustard. I don't know, like why. Anyway, solid colored laces on here, and then you have an interesting colored piping around the shoe that actually goes through the inside of the shoe as well as to the insole. So that darker mustard color is through the whole thing. As for that little notch in the back, it's actually like a lighter color than the midsole here. It's lighter, and then the sole is actually lighter colored as well. So interesting choice there. I don't know why they can't make it more uniform. But it doesn't look bad. Honestly, I don't really love lighter colored outsoles because they obviously get destroyed on these 350s. They've been coming out with a lot of different 350s. I don't know if they're going to be mass releasing this one in the future or what. It was just a launch on Yeezy Supply, then it didn't drop on adidas.com. And they're doing the same thing with the black 700, whatever those ones are, the TMNT ones. I'm going to call them the TMNTs because I don't know what the heck they're called. Anyway, the triple black ones, I don't know why they're just dropping them at like New York store only, like, or a couple boutiques, but I don't even know. They're not dropping them online, so basically my chances are zero. But yeah, it's interesting and it's smart that they've been doing stuff like this. It's been something that I've been saying for years that Yeezy needs to do, is create that energy for the limited supply, but then also have the mass releases so that Adidas can be happy making that big time money, and then consumers and little hypebeasts can be happy that they can get their hands on more limited colorways, I guess, if you will. Just because this one's more limited doesn't mean it's worth more, though. It was trending at like 350 or so, like the week it dropped, and then now it's down to like 250s already. So it's not like a lot of high resale or anything like that for the shoe. I'm not sure if it will go up in the long term or not. It kind of gives you like a McChicken 2.0 vibe, where it's just that shoe was not even desired, and it was the most limited Yeezy of all of them at the time before they re-released. So I don't know what's going to happen with this on the resale market, but did you guys cop a pair of these or not? Is it a pair that you guys care about or not? Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. I think that overall it's actually better looking than I thought, and I do like that the stripe down the middle looks different than anything I've seen. In fact, I don't know if this is the very first one like this, because I'm not sure if on the 3M ones, if they actually have the same kind of fishnet wire-like look down the middle, or is it reflective, because I don't have any of the reflective joints. Not a bad looking shoe in my opinion. I think honestly look better on feet than I anticipated, and I'm happy with being able to actually get a pair. I can't believe I got through the splash page. It just was just a random drop. I was like, oh yeah, those are dropping, and then I logged in and I got a pair. I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't expect that. But yeah, happy I got a pair, and that is a look at the Marsh joint. Is it worth buying or not? I mean, as of right now, the resale is not there, so if you bought them just for resale, you're probably making your money back. You might even be losing a couple bucks with tax if you have to pay tax in your areas and stuff like that. But for me, I didn't have to pay tax, so that was kind of a good thing. That's so tasty. So yeah, I'm happy I came up on a pair. Did I need them? Absolutely not. I've gotten so many different pairs of Yeezys in this last year. It's crazy. Shout out to John Paul and Jen for the juice right here. Really, really delicious stuff. Next time you guys come to Portland, we'll have to have a little swig of it together. And then, yeah, hopefully the kid likes his shoes, man. He got some, I mean, this little dude of mine has some options. He got some Air Force One Travis joints, some Iversons. Like, the kid's got some heat, man. He's a lucky kid. And all he cares about is his Crocs. Crocs needs to send me a sponsorship, and I'll get the kid on it. Anyway, have a good rest of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the day. Hopefully you enjoyed your week. It's almost to an end. And we'll see you guys hopefully for some more videos soon. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos are posted. And hopefully we'll see you guys again for some more videos. Peace, guys.